into a conditional release program in the community. And there were genuine concerns by the State's Attorney's Office and by the community if this individual is released from a secure setting. And I believe many of those were addressed by the court today. We requested that before this individual moves from the different phases in this conditional release, that information be given to the court. So for example, from phase 1, those are just day visits and some overnight visits. This individual is still housed at McFarland. Before this individual goes from phase 1 to phase 2, the court has to grant that. The court has to agree to that. Additionally, the statute vests in the State's Attorney's Office that if the judge does grant conditional release and that is violated, the State's Attorney is to petition the court to put this individual back in a secure setting. Because of that, we requested of the court that they order the conditional release provider, Memorial Behavioral Health, notify the state of any violations from the strict conditions of release. And the court agreed with us. And MBH is going to notify the State's Attorney's Office of any violations in this case. Again, this is a tragic case. This individual did some horrific acts many years ago, has been in a secure setting for over 30 years. But in this case, both the doctor from the state of Illinois, a doctor hired by the State's Attorney's Office to evaluate this individual, both agreed that because of his current medical condition, which is stable, that he can be housed and controlled in a non-secure setting. And the judge agreed with those two doctors, and we did not have a contrary medical opinion to say that medically this individual needs to be housed in a secure setting. We relayed concerns that we have. We relayed concerns that the community have, valid concerns for the safety of the community from this individual. And there are many, many conditions in place to make sure the community is safe from this individual. Any violation of his conditional release, we will be notified. We will immediately petition the court and ask that he go back to a secure setting.